So good morning. The chemistry second year English medium D and F black elements and coordination compounds. So topic is terms used in coordination compounds. Yes, coordination number. So what is meant by coordination number? So coordination number is nothing but the number of coordinate covalent bonds with which the ligands are bound with central metal ion in coordination entity. That is called as, here is a coordination number. Coordination number means what? The number of coordinate covalent bonds with which the ligands are bound to central metal ion or atom in coordination entity is called coordination number. Then yes, here is what? Then hexamine cobalt 3 ion. In this, yes, how many ligands are connected with a central metal ion in this coordination complex is, then yes, here is a 6 ammonia molecules can connect with the cobalt ion, but here is what? 6 ammonia molecules can donate 6 pairs of electrons and form the 6 coordinate covalent bonds. 6 coordinate covalent bonds are existed in this complex ion. That's why cobalt coordination number in this complex ion is 6. Whereas when you take the, here is a tris ethylene diamine cobalt 3 ion. In this complex ion, again cobalt is having coordination number 6. That is what? Ligands are just 3, but these are bidentate ligands. Each bidentate ligand can donate 2 pairs of electrons and forms the 2 coordinate covalent bonds. That's why these are 3 bidentate ligands can donate the 6 pairs of electrons and form 6 coordinate covalent bonds with the cobalt ion. That's why yes, here is what? Then coordination number of cobalt is again here is 6. Then next one is a potassium hexacyanoferrate 2. Then so in this complex there is a iron coordination number is 6 because it is a 6 cyano-ligands can donate 6 pairs of electrons and form 6 coordinate covalent bonds to the yes metal ion. That's why the coordination number is what? Again here is a 6. Whereas when you take the is a tetracarbonyl nickel, here is 4 carbon monoxide molecules, neutral ligands. Okay, they can donate is a 4 pairs of electrons to nickel. 4 pairs of electrons to nickel. That's why its coordination number of nickel is what? In this complex, there is a nickel is just here is a 4. Then next one, here is again diamine dichloro platinum 2. Platinum 2. Then again here is a platinum coordination number is again here is 4 because 2 ammonia molecules can donate 2 pairs of electrons and form 2 coordinate covalent bonds, and the 2 chloroligands can donate 2 pairs of electrons and form 2 coordinate covalent bonds with the platinum. That's why overall around the platinum, then yes, here is a 4 coordinate covalent bonds are existed. That's why here is a platinum coordination number is what? Again here is a 4. Then next one is every central metal ion or atom has a specific coordination number. Then next one is based on the coordination number, so we can expect the geometry of the coordination compound. Then yes, suppose if the coordination number is 6, then octahedral geometry. Then yes, there is a coordination number 4, then it may be yes a tetrahedral or square planar. Yes, here is a tetracarbonyl nickel is what? It is a tetrahedral geometry. Then next one it is what? It is a square planar complex. Then next one is again here is a octahedral complex. Then here is again here is a octahedral complex. So based on coordination number, so we can assume the geometry of coordination compound. Geometry of coordination compound. Then next one is a coordination sphere. So what is meant by coordination sphere? So when you observe the coordination entity, then yes, there is a central metal atom or ion and ligands, and ligands are collectively enclosed with a square bracket is called coordination sphere. A central metal atom or ion and ligands are collectively enclosed with a square bracket, that is here is a coordination sphere. Then yes, here is a, when you take here is a hexamine cobalt 3 chloride. In this is a central metal ion and 6 ligands are enclosed, are collectively enclosed with a square bracket. Okay, central metal atom or ion and ligands are collectively enclosed with a square bracket, that is called as is a coordination sphere. Then outside of the coordination sphere, yes, ions can be considered as a counter ions. Then suppose you have 3 chloride ions can be considered as a counter ions. Then next one here is a 4 potassium ions can be considered as here is a counter ions. Then after coordination sphere, then the ions can be considered as a counter ions. Then let's see the oxidation number. Oxidation number is a oxidation number. What is meant by oxidation number? It is the oxidation state of central metal ion. Then yes, the charge carried by central metal ion, if ligands are removed along with electron pairs shared, is called oxidation state. Oxidation state. Oxidation state or oxidation number is nothing but the charge carried by central metal ion if ligands are removed. If ligands are removed along with shared electron pairs, is called oxidation state. Then oxidation state or oxidation number, so it is equal to here is a primary valency. Then yes, here is what then so suppose hexamine, here is a hexacyanoferrate. Here is a ferrate 3 ion. Hexacyanoferrate 3 ion. Then so what its oxidation number or oxidation state of iron is what 3. Then it can be oxidation state or oxidation number is represented yes in Roman numeral put in parenthesis yes while giving the name. Suppose here is what then hexacyanoferrate 3 ion, that is oxidation state of central metal ion is written as there is a Roman letter in parenthesis. This is a oxidation number. Oxidation number, coordination number, both are different. Yes, there is a oxidation number is the charge of central metal ion. Whereas there is a coordination number is what? Coordination number is the number of coordinate covalent bonds formed by ligands by donating electron pairs. Okay, then let's see here is a homoleptic complex and a heteroleptic complexes. So what is meant by homoleptic complexes? Then yes, when you take the coordination compound, if the central metal atom or ion is connected with only is a one type of ligands, then that is called as there is a homoleptic complex, that is a hexamine cobalt 3 ion. hexammine cobalt 3 ion, then 6 ammonia molecules, 6 ammonia molecule, only the 6 ligands are belongs to same category, 6 they are ammonia, that's why here is a homoleptic complex. Heteroleptic complex means what? Heteroleptic means what? Then is a, if the central metal ion or atom is bound with yes different types of ligands, whether they are 2 types or 3 types or 4 types, whatever it is, then yes, if more than one type of ligands are connected with the central metal ion in the coordination compound, then that is called as heteroleptic complex. Then next one is a coordination yes polyhedron. Coordination polyhedron means what? Coordination polyhedron represents the geometry of coordination compound. So how can we define the coordination polyhedron? Is the arrangement of ligands around the central metal atom in coordination entity is called coordination polyhedron. Okay, yes, the arrangement of the geometrical arrangement of ligands around the central metal ion in the coordination entity is called the coordination polyhedron. Then based on coordination polyhedron, yes, we can say the geometry of coordination compound. Then yes, next one, there is a coordination polyhedron. Here is a octahedral, then tetrahedral, square planar, then square pyramidal. Okay, so these are the geometries of coordination compounds. Yes, this is enough for terms in coordination, terms used in coordination compounds.